Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration convert text to speech format with the help of Python scripting language. It's very simple, only 5 to 6 line code, and you can easily learn how to convert text data as a speech format with the help of Python scripting language. So let's start as a demonstration. So this is a folder. After conversation, some WAV or mp3 files are stored in this file is demo folder. So first of all, open your Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook. So this is my demo folder location, 0 files are there. So I open new Python scripting language and type here demo tts, enter. First of all, install gtts generate text to speech synthesizer. I already installed this package library, but before starting the code you need to install this library, this library to support as a convert the text to speech format. So now I'm type here form tts import gtts capital letter, and then here import OS you, and then execute. So this is proper execution. Now time to tts equals to gtts in function, and type here text equal to single quote good morning research rocks. This is a text. This text automatically is producing the speech file and store the one mp3 file. So and then I execute firstly. So this text is execute properly, and now to store this file tts save function double quote, and I store this file as name rr.mp3, and where I store this file OS system in bracket double quote rr.mp3, and then execute. So this is only simple 2 3 4 5 line code, and your program is execute, and this rr file is generate here text to speech are converted. Good morning research rocks in this available in this text file.
Good morning research rocks.
Like that you can write this code like that way also, in the single tab like this way. And now I am converting one and then execute. So look at this rr file are creating, and this says
good morning research rocks.
Good morning research rocks, like that way. It's very simple. No need for this line also. You can delete this line. You can call here directly new mp3 and execute. So this code also properly run. Generate this file as a new and convert your text to speech format. It's very simple, only 4 line code, and you can convert whatever you want actually in this particular text data. Suppose for example, good morning research rocks, and I type here, I request to you please subscribe my YouTube channel research rocks, and then execute this code. WAV file is converted.
Good morning research rocks, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel research rocks.
It's very helpful for the programmer, and only 4 line code you can convert whatever you want as a speech format. So this is a speech format as an English language. So I'm giving you one more example related to same, but you can decide here as a text language. So I'm type here text equals to single quote, and I type here, I request to you please subscribe our YouTube channel research rocks, and then enter. And then I define here language equals to single quote en means English language, and here I define here object. So rocks equals to gtts, and then type text equals to text, and this text I call here as a text, convert the text, and comma language equals to full spelling of this language. I define here, I convert those text in this language, so I store this value in this particular variable, and then comma slow equals to false, and type here as a where I want to store this file, rocks dot save double quote, and then I type here hello dot mp3, execute the code. So this code also execute, and this file name is hello.mp3, and I defined the language is English, and here by default the recognize and consider as an English language, but here I am defined the English language and text are this one.
I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel Research Rocks.
It's very simple. For example, I want change my language like Hindi, so I convert this text as a Hindi language, and then execute here hindi.mp3, and thus execute the code. So code is execute, and I check the file is generated. So look at this, you can use the language synonym. So for example, I want how to call as a Hindi hi, English en. So here this website I am giving you as a description below. So this language as a synonym af, such kind of synonyms are stored in Google API. You can use those features and enjoy with the help of Python scripting language. You can generate your text as a speech format. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.